In the competitive smartphone market, very few product lineups are as iconic as the Samsung Galaxy Note series. Yet, Samsung is expected to be in a preliminary talk of discontinuing their popular Galaxy Note series. But why is that? After successfully dominating for almost a decade, why all of a sudden Samsung is planning to discontinuing the Galaxy Note series? Is it tough competition in the premium segment? So without Samsung's one of the most premium flagships, how would the smartphone world be like? Let's have a deeper insight. Back in 2011, Samsung first launched their first Galaxy Note, which created a new trend for a new range of smartphones with big screens. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Note was all about bigger screens, high-end specs, and the famous S Pen. The Galaxy Note also played a great role in pursuing the South Korean tech giant to overtake Apple and become the world's greatest smartphone maker for the first time in the same year. The Samsung Galaxy Note phones have been exceptional and more attractive due to the stylus that is used for note-taking, which is why the series is named under the same name. But according to some reliable sources, Samsung does not have any plans to develop a new Note in 2021. Note series fans will be shocked hearing such news, especially the business persons who tend to take a lot of notes or who like to do doodles on the phone were the regular consumers of the Note series. Moreover, they have made the S Pen compatible with the new S21 Ultra. If the S Pen works out perfectly with the S21 Ultra, then there shall be less reasons left for the Note series to exist. Another source said that the company development efforts that normally would have been directed to the Note would now be channeled to its foldable phone range. This means the company is focused more on the foldable devices and might want to sell these as a replacement for the Note series. Now the question appears, are they going to be enough to replace the Note series? Well, in our opinion, this might work in the long run as they also plan to provide the stylish pen with foldable smartphones. As it comes with a foldable display, you might find it extremely fragile. Samsung also delivers their foldable with pre-installed screen protectors and tells their customers not to remove it. These foldable smartphones are also released in the market at a much higher price than the Notes. So if they don't make the price a bit reasonable, they are sure to lose a portion of their consumers. Samsung premium phone series have always been able to stand out in the market for innovative technology and capabilities. So even if the Note series is being discontinued, Samsung will surely bring something more useful to their users to fulfill the absence of the Galaxy Note series. But people who are fond of art and who are using Notes might switch to iPad Air as they are also a very good alternative to the Note series. Being a Note series fan, we would want Samsung to continue their Note series and carry on the service they have been providing for so long. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.